Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can change keyboard language in VIVO phone. So first you gotta launch the keyboard, then if by changing language you mean switching it, you just gotta make the sliding swipe at the spacebar, and as you can see the language gets changed. If you would like to add a new language to your keyboard or remove an old one, tap at this K icon over here, then open the language, and over here just tap at the plus button in front of the language that you would like to add and select it at the added languages list to make it accessible from the keyboard. And well, unselect if you do not want to have this or that keyboard language respectively. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.